Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Biochemistry by Dr. Vasan Gosai. In today's lecture, we will discuss about malnutrition. Malnutrition may be of two types, undernutrition or overnutrition. In undernutrition, protein energy malnutrition is the best example, and in overnutrition, obesity is the best example. Let's see protein energy malnutrition. It is a common nutritional problem in developing countries, and predominantly infants and children are affected. Protein energy malnutrition is divided into two major categories. First one is marasmus and second is kwashiorkor. Marasmus results from an inadequate intake of both protein and energy, while kwashiorkor results due to inadequate intake of proteins with relatively adequate energy intake. Marasmus usually occurs under 1 year of age, while kwashiorkor in children between 1 and 5 years of age. Marasmus occurs among poor family when there is rapid succession of the pregnancy and early and abrupt weaning followed by inadequate artificial feeding. In marasmus, children looks like a little old person with skin and bone, thin and wasted appearance. If dietary deficiency continues for long, it leads to the permanent stunting of the growth and mental development is also affected. In kwashiorkor, we can see the child has a plump appearance due to the edema, and edema results from the lack of adequate plasma proteins that maintain the distribution of the fluid between intra and extravascular compartment. Other symptoms associated with the kwashiorkor are the brittle hair, diarrhea, dermatitis and retarded growth. Now, let's see the biochemical changes in the protein energy malnutrition. Most commonly, we can see decreased plasma levels of the serum albumin and other serum proteins. In kwashiorkor, the serum albumin may fall to a value as low as 2 gram per deciliter, whereas in marasmus, it not so low. Due to the infection, immunoglobulin G level is increases, and in kwashiorkor, due to the decreased lipoprotein synthesis, fatty liver we can see. Glucose tolerance is often normal in both the condition, but hypoglycemia is often seen in the marasmic child. Hypokalemia and dehydration occur when there is a diarrhea. Now, treatment of the protein energy malnutrition. Treatment of protein energy malnutrition it comprises the three components. First one is the administration of the adequate calories and protein. Second one is the control of the infections, and third one is the treatment of the associated disorders. When diet containing adequate calorie and protein is given, the optimal response is observed. The treatment is monitored by disappearance of the edema and rise in serum albumin level and weight gain. Now, obesity. Obesity is the most prevalent nutritional disorder in prosperous developed countries. Obesity is a state in which excess fat has accumulated. It is determined by obesity index, which is also termed as body mass index, which is calculated as weight upon height square. Pre-obesity defined as body mass index between 25 to 30 and obesity defined as body mass index 30 or more. Now let's discuss about causes of obesity. The most common cause of obesity is the consumption of excessive calories with inadequate exercise. Several other factors also contribute to its development. First one is a genetic predisposition, which play an important role. If one parent is obese, 40 to 50% chances are there that the children would suffer from the obesity. Second one is the leptin, which is 16 kilodalton polypeptide, which is encoded by obese gene in adipocyte that influences the appetite control system in the brain. It causes decreased food intake, which represents satiety signal in the body. Defect in leptin coding gene tends to the overeat and develop the obesity. Certain metabolic aberrations also commonly associated with the obesity: hypothyroidism, hypogonadism, Cushing syndrome, and hypopituitarism. They lead to the obesity. Major ill effects of the obesity are reduced lifespan and coronary artery disease, and they are due to alteration of the lipid profile. Now, treatment of the obesity. The best treatment for the obese individuals is reduction of the body weight, and it is done by reducing the calorie and fat intake and by performing the controlled exercise. Thank you.